Welcome, today I'm with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you how to install the iPhone keyboard on this device. The first step is just go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Apple keyboard. So we have to get this application now, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now tap to open and here click to enable in settings. Here near the green Apple keyboard tap to the switcher, tap OK, just OK, one more time, go back, here tap on switch input methods and click to the English United States keyboard. Just select that. Now we can check that. For example, go to the messages and start chatting with someone like this, for example, and now you see that your keyboard is really close to the iPhone keyboard. So that's it. If you find this information helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.